When it comes to required vaccines for back to school, Tennessee looks to the CDC. But some lawmakers tried to roll back the rule that puts the responsibility on parents to make sure their kids get those shots. News 2 State Capitol reporter Tori Gessner explains in our all-day reporting on kids and vaccines.
At the Metro Public Health Department, it's back to school season. While parents pick out the new pencils and notebooks, the health department helps with the shots.
The reason we recommend vaccines at all is because it's helpful for the student themselves who gets it. It's also helpful to all their classmates.
From measles, mumps, and rubella to tetanus and polio, there's a series of vaccines kids have to get before they can go to school. In Tennessee, that list comes from the CDC. And the Metro Public Health Department helps kids get each one.
We really just want to make sure that everybody is able to access these health services because they are so important. So by expanding our hours here, by adding mobile clinics around town and specifically in people's neighborhoods where they need them, we hope that everybody's able to access.
State law says parents and guardians are responsible for making sure their kids get the CDC recommended vaccines, which they can get at their local public health department. But this year, one lawmaker tried to change that.
All we're saying is, parents, you're not going to be charged with a misdemeanor because you're not following this law.
Republican Representative Susan Lynn sponsoring a bill in March to eliminate a parent's responsibility to ensure their child receives the CDC recommended vaccines, arguing it's unconstitutional.
We have not looked into the CDC's ever-growing list of vaccinations, that ever-growing list vaccination schedule. We haven't looked into it at all. And so we are simply delegating all of our rights to the CDC, giving up everything to the CDC, and the non-delegation doctrine says that states can't do that.
Tennessee's attorneys correcting some misinformation. They say the state statute isn't unconstitutional, and the law actually protects parents from being punished.
It says no parent, legal guardian shall be criminally prosecuted nor civilly liable for failure to comply with the provisions of this part. So there's not, a parent would not be civilly liable or criminally prosecuted for not abiding by current law with the responsibility of vaccinating your child.
Other conservative lawmakers citing a 1905 Supreme Court case that ruled states have the authority to require vaccines.
The case established that states can limit individual liberties to protect public health and safety.
According to the CDC, 64.4% of 2-year-olds in Tennessee received all recommended doses of the combined 7 vaccine series in 2021, making it 35th in the country. Democrats worried eliminating parental vaccine responsibility would make that number even worse.
The CDC is the nation's leading science-based, data-driven service organization that protects the public's health. The state of Tennessee does not have that resource. The state of Tennessee does not have the resources to provide those services. There's a reason that we necessarily refer to and defer to the CDC for guidance on vaccinations. It's to protect the public health.
The bill shelved in a House subcommittee.
Bill 1156 will move to summer study.
Tennessee parents, at least for now, still shouldering the shot list. In Nashville, Tori Gessner, News 2.
Ahead on News 2 at 6, we take a look inside one school district and how it's tackling a slight increase in immunization exemptions over the years.